If your 6.4-liter Durango SRT feels too quiet or sounds choked from the factory, a proper exhaust is the fix. More flow, more muscle tone, and way more attitude. Links to every exhaust are waiting in the video description. MagnaFlow Neo Series delivers a deep, modern growl with zero drone and a clean, performance-focused tone. It's aggressive outside but calm inside the cabin. Let's fire it up. Flowmaster American Thunder brings that classic muscle car bark with a punchy, aggressive edge under throttle. It hits hard without going overboard on the highway. Let's crack it open and hear it roar. MBRP race profile is loud, raw, and built for drivers who don't want subtle. This setup turns your Durango into a straight-up street beast. Time to unleash it. Borla S-Type balances refined muscle sound with daily drivability and no highway drone. Smooth, deep, and unmistakably Borla. Let's roll into the throttle. ATAK Edition is pure chaos in the best way. No filters, no drone control, just volume and rage. It's lighter than stock and absolutely rowdy. Brace yourself and let it rip. Borla ATAK is the loudest and most aggressive option here with sharp cold starts and savage acceleration tone. If you want maximum presence, this is it. Let's wake the neighbors. That's our lineup of the best exhaust systems for the Dodge Durango SRT with the 6.4-liter HEMI. All product links are in the video description, so check them out. If this helped, hit subscribe, drop a like, and stay tuned for more Mopar sound tests.